Morning, everybody. It's a new day in the shop. I've got to move this thing out of the way so we can do normal work. And I'll finish welding up the cage and paint it. Then we'll put it back in. This is my temporary seat solution. I've never felt this tall in a vehicle. Let's see if I can grab it. Gotta wait for the glow plugs on the old diesel. That was a fight, huh, Mike?
Yeah.
But it looks so cool. Be safe now. We just gotta weld where the two halves go together. And then weld the base plates on the front. Pretty good though. Sweet. You feel safe? You feel safe in there, Mike?
I do feel safe in there.